it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a little thrifting haul. Yesterday I went thrifting with my best friend and we bought a lot of clothes. Well, I know I did, and I got things that I was dreaming of finding at Goodwill. I keep finding all these videos online of people like going to the thrift store, finding Levi's that fit them perfectly, finding Gucci. People find Louis Vuitton bags. And yeah, I did see a Louis Vuitton bag at the store that I went to, at the Goodwill. The thrift store that I went to was, well, it was a Goodwill. I went to the one in Elmwood Park. It was a little bit of a hike for me, but I think it was definitely worth it for the things that I got. And I'm not going to take all the credit for this. Like, it was not on me finding all these things. It was definitely my best friend. Thanks to her, she helped me find these things. Like, she found the one thing that you're going to obviously know. She found my Gucci item that I found at the thrift store. So without further ado, let's get started. I might as well just start out with the shoes that I bought. I bought a pair of boots. I'm going to put a screenshot right here. These are the boots that I found online that I've been wanting to give for the past like 3 to 4 years. So these boots are my new children. I love them. Yes, they are high heeled, and yes, I wore them to school today, and I got some compliments, and it doesn't matter about the compliments. I just felt so confident in them, and they've got such a chunky heel. They're black fake leather, and they have just like a little bit of elastic on the side. Can you see? They are dirty. I do have to clean them. I was just so excited that I found them that I had to wear them right away. And ready? They're $60 online at Boohoo or H&M, which is the brand. These are by Divided, and that is an H&M brand. And this, $15. Can you believe it? These shoes were $15? And online they're $60, so I saved more than 50%. So I think that's a win for me. My next item, big bag of things that I guess I can just dive into. I guess we can start out with these jeans. These are my Levi's that I now have. They are very big, but I'm going to get them altered. Okay, so the tag says they're $13.99, but when you go to the Goodwill, they have a color, and when they say that color, everything that has that color tag, so like this is a blue tag. The blue tag yesterday was 60% off. So it says $13.99, but I actually got them for $6.99. So that is my second item that I got, these Levi's jeans that I'm in love with. And this is the main reason why I went to the Goodwill, because I knew I could find a good pair of jeans. I always do. Next item. I got this Polo men's shirt. Well, it's not actually by the brand Polo, it's by International Concepts. It just has medium. But what I was thinking is do like that little trend that everyone's doing where they get those polos and they cut them, they're gonna crop them. So it's just like right beneath your like rib cage. And I think having nice long baggy sleeves, and I love the detailing on the sleeve. This reminds me of my LF shirt. I'm just gonna crop this, and I will definitely show you how it turns out later. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait. I love doing little crafts. Next, I got these flowy pants, and I know it's the winter time and I do not live in a warm climate area right now, but I'm gonna save these for the summertime, or maybe I can wear them with leggings underneath during like the winter cold season. Maybe not. They are a size large, but they have an elastic. You can make it tighter on the waist and cinch your waist, and you can put them higher up because they are large. Put them above your waist, and it makes you like super like tucked in, and it looks great. So it's amazing. I love them because some days you don't want to wear something that's super tight to your skin. So we have this. Next is the Big Bang. This is the title of the video. So this is what I bought at the thrift store. This is my Gucci purchase. It's kind of funny because I have my little Gucci bag there for my wallet. These jeans I'm in love with. They fit me like so perfectly. It was just meant to be that my friend found them, and she was like, try them on. I'm like, what about you? She goes, try them on. And it was just so genuinely so sweet. They were just a pair of boot cut jeans. You can see, yep, boot cut. There's this G by like the waistband, and it also says Gucci in the back. So in case you're really into the brands and you want to like be like, I'm wearing Gucci, there you go, it says Gucci. But I thought they were super sick even before I knew it was Gucci, because look at this pattern. I always wanted the like different panels of jeans, but I was like, okay, they're $50, and I thought that's a lot for me, and I was like, no thank you, I don't really want them because it's a lot of money, and these are cheaper than my Levi's. These are $5.99, and online they're over $1,000. I haven't found the exact one, but most of the jeans are over $1,000. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I found Gucci at the thrift store. Can you believe it? Not me. I'm still stunned at this find. Oh my gosh, I couldn't be happier. And everything today is under $45. It was actually $44.95, but then they always ask you at the end, you want to donate a couple of pennies to make it even to a foundation that they're sponsoring at the time where they just donate money to them. And so that's where I donated my 5 cents, so I'm definitely going to go back. Hopefully, I'm going to go back tonight and thrift some more. There were some things that I wanted to pick up, but I didn't pick up because I thought it was going to be over $70, but it was $45. This, can you see where it says Goodwill? Is everything that I got from the Goodwill. I had the best time ever with my best friend thrifting. We also went to IKEA, so I'm going to quickly show you this, what I got from IKEA, and then that's going to be the end of the video. Okay, so we are on my second bag. I went to Goodwill on one day, and then I decided I wanted to go back and get some things that I didn't pick up that I regretted. So, the second bag, second day. It was actually yesterday I went to get this stuff. I found this jacket and instantly I fell in love with it. It was just a light denim wash polo jean jacket, but it had little detailing that was so cute. There's like a little horse on the pocket, if you can see. And in the back, amazing. It has the American flag. And this is actually so soft and so comfortable. I wore it today to school. Oh, it also has a little pin. I wore this to school and it just felt like so comfortable. A lot of jeans that I have, either jackets or pants, anything, it's very, very stiff and uncomfortable. But this, I could just move so easily in. I'll put it on. It's so comfy. It's just so nice. I can really move, so comfortable. I love it. Okay, next item I got were these pants. These are just a light denim wash, and they just have some ribs. This is in my knee, this is like on my thigh, so giving you like some perspective. I like them when they're on my knee because then my knee can move easier because jeans are very tight and stiff, but these are very soft also, and I love the wash because it's lighter than all of the jeans that I own. I have a lot of darker jean, or like just a little bit darker than this I have. This is the only one I have like this with a bunch of rips all over it, but like an appropriate amount because it's not showing all your legs. And you're still a little bit warm, so you can still wear this in the wintertime. It is perfect. To start out with, the first thing I got from IKEA, I spotted this little plant and I fell in love. Like, it is so cute. It's just like, it's a little succulent, and it had this like gray, smooth, shiny polish on the top, and it was like gray matte on the bottom. And I love gray, and I love little plants all over my room. Okay, so the next thing I got, this big plant, because we're talking about plants, obviously. This type of plant only blooms once in a lifetime, so after it blooms, I'm just going to have it for the leaves, because look at these leaves. They are so pretty and shiny and big. Here, this is where the flower is going to bloom. It is so pretty. I love this plant. It makes me so happy. Next thing that I got is a closet organizer. It just hangs down from like a rod that you have in your closet, and it has like little shelves. It's really deep, and I saw it in IKEA for $6.99, and I saw it in Target or Walmart, one of those places, for $20. So I figured I might as well get it from IKEA since it's so deep and I can have so many things in there. This little unit, I have like my jeans, and I figured like on the bottom area I would put like summer stuff. This is my closet organizer. I love it. It's so deep. So that is everything. I went to the Goodwill, and I figured I'd just put in what I got from IKEA because I went the same day, and I figured I'd just put in this haul. Alright, so thank you so much for watching until now, and I hope you enjoy what I found. I know I'm so excited about what I found. My Levi's, my Gucci pants, my yellow flowy pants, my polo top that I'm going to crop. Oh my gosh, I have so many cute little projects I'm going to do. I'm going to show you by like follow me on Instagram. I will definitely post in all the clothes. Thank you so much for watching until now. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you like it. And leave a comment down below whatever you want to say. Subscribe for more videos because I'm posting the whole month of December, and I hope you enjoy it. So thank you so much. Bye.